The secret is in the sauce. Look what I did with ground beef. I start by adding 1 egg to 400 grams of ground beef. I season it with black pepper, salt, and 3 crushed garlic cloves. I mix everything very well until the seasonings are fully incorporated, then set it aside. In a bowl, I place 500 grams of chopped potatoes. I add salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. I mix well to coat the potatoes evenly and let them marinate. Meanwhile, I shape small portions of the ground beef into meatballs using my hands. I repeat the process until all the meat is used. In a skillet, I drizzle some olive oil and fry the meatballs, turning them to brown on all sides. Here at home, this dish is a big hit. Everyone always wants more. Do you often cook with ground beef too? Tell me in the comments. After frying, I remove the meatballs and set them aside. In the same skillet, I add the seasoned potatoes and fry them until they are golden and tender. I remove and set them aside. If you watched until here, comment which city you're watching from. I'd love to know. Then use the same skillet to sauté 1 chopped carrot. I also add 1/4 of a red bell pepper and 2 finely chopped garlic cloves. I sauté for about 5 minutes. Then I add 1 cup of tomato sauce and stir well to create a flavorful sauce. Now I return the potatoes to the skillet, mix everything, and top it with sliced onion rings. To finish, I place the meatballs on top of the sauce and sprinkle chopped parsley for a fresh touch. And it's ready! A simple, complete, and flavorful recipe. See you in the next video.